Hey, Stuart here, introducing a new playlist, a new series here on How's the Hike. We're going to call them One Night Stands. Short hikes, to be honest. And if I dig back into the archives, here are some examples of campsites that are not too far from the car that we experienced on other hikes. Have a look. I remember this section. If you go through our library, you'll see that this is the very first hike the girls ever did in the Rockies. Give you a little tour of everything to come out here. It's about 5-ish K in from the car. This is hiking for me. Everything else I do that we do is preparation for trips in the Rockies, which is just stunning. There's the outhouse. Keep walking back this way. Right now, on a super wide trail with about 6K to the first campsite, which is called Whirlpool. Just over an hour to get in here to Whirlpool. Scott's gonna head on in. We're going to Thai, which is only 4.5K. If the trail's still good, we're gonna be there in an hour after our little break here, so that would be early for us to stop. Yeah, this is like there's some tent pads down there, over here, and up here is your eating area. Some nice picnic tables. It's one of those what I call Disneyland campsites. It's just so close to the trailhead. They keep really good care of it. It even has the new Jasper bear cabinets. So yep, so we're gonna take a break here at Whirlpool and keep on moving. I'm pretty excited about this trail. Obviously you've been out to Goose River before, a couple times, hiked the Fundy footpath, but this is a brand new trail. It's so rare for a national park to cut a brand new trail these days. I mean, it's unheard of. And nice backcountry trail somewhere around the 10K mark. Gets me out to Goose River. Coming into camp. So there's an outhouse here, firewood over there, all cut, bucked up and ready for you. There's another site over here on the bluff, which has a beautiful view. Should be able to see Martin Head. That's a great spot. And you can see here another spot right, I'm walking over for a tent, and great view with your fire pit out down there as well. So here we are, tent pad. Goose River. This is the park limit actually. As you cross over the river, up there you get the Funny footpath. Quick little tour. I showed you all the fire pits when I came in. There's more camping over here. If you want to set up over there, as you can see, back in there is actually an outhouse, and of course up that way is the Fundy footpath, and you head over that way eventually. Well, our first bridge, and my goodness, we could rock hop this like this.
I think if the bridge were missing, we wouldn't have a problem.
No, exactly. It's telling me this color is ochre. Learning something new every day, but yeah. Look at that view. Blue skies. Weather's going to be amazing the whole hike. And like I said, still some colors.
Are we here?
Are we here?
Yeah.
Oh shit, we're here.
Yes, we are.
Helmet Junction.
Who gets the creekside view?
Well, I don't care, but you know what? We're going to, well, we're here. Oh, geez, that was a short day. Scott's here. I'm there. Another tent pad back there. I'll go over here and show you around real quick. There's the outhouse. Typical kind of Banff type outhouse, really, if you think about it. Glad there's no stadium seating where you can sit with your friends, chat about last night's supper. Eating area. Lovely spot, actually. And then back this way is the food storage. And I'm not going to take you back there because they are the new lockers. No big deal to see those. That is Helmet Ochre Junction campsite. The other great thing about these hikes is that if you're new to this sport and you're still a little bit skittish about being out in the woods alone, for example, or in a tent sleeping in nature, these are typically campsites that are very busy. You will have company, you will have neighbors, you will hear familiar noises from other human beings, and it will help ease your transition into the backcountry. So watch for those this summer. One night stands here on How's the Hike, a new playlist. Make sure you subscribe, and remember, these won't require any long-term commitments, not like our other videos that tend to be 2 hours long. Watch for them.